Live from WTVO Rockford and your home team. Eyewitness News at 6 starts now.
Unfortunately, I have to meet with you all again as the City of Beloit Police Department is investigating our second homicide of the year.
Within 72 hours, 2 women have been murdered in Beloit. Police give an update on the recent investigation. The snow sculpted and reviewed. We'll tell you who came out on top of this year's snow sculpting competition.
We're going to look at the blog, and we feel like we're bringing the blog to life.
Residents get to learn more about the Forest City after a local museum and blog partner together. Good evening, I'm Alexis Carpello. Thanks for joining us tonight. A woman is dead in Beloit after police found her on the side of the road with stab wounds. It happened around 7:10 this morning. Police say they found the woman on Clary Street near the Oakwood Cemetery. She was stabbed multiple times. Her identity isn't being released at this moment. Beloit Police Chief says this is the second homicide of the year within 72 hours of each other.
We need the community's help on this one. Once we put the identification of this victim out, we're going to need to know who this person was with, who they had close ties with, and that's where we'll take over that investigation and do our darndest to make sure we bring that person to justice.
If you know anything about this crime, call City of Beloit Police. The other homicide Chief Sales mentioned happened on Wednesday. A Beloit 31-year-old mom died after being shot to death. We told you about this investigation this week when police told us it was a domestic violence incident. It happened around noon inside a home on Madison Road near Harper's Prairie Park. Family has identified her as Shauna Green. Police arrested Anthony Richmond. The 34-year-old is charged with first-degree homicide and possession of a stolen firearm. He and Green were reportedly dating. The father of Green's kids says their lives are changed forever. A Wisconsin man is arrested after a hit-and-run crash Friday night in Rock County. Police got a call about a person's vehicle being hit in the parking lot of Union Tavern Bar. The driver of the vehicle that hit the car fled the scene. It happened around 10:40 last night. Rock County Sheriff deputies later arrested Kendall Kopis. He has 6 prior OWI convictions. He'll face a judge on Monday. Multiple fire departments responded to a garage fire in Belvidere. Smoke and flames could be seen coming from a 2-car garage on Bennett Street in Belvidere. That's right off of Lincoln Avenue. 2 vehicles were inside at the time of the fire. The garage is completely destroyed. No word on what caused the blaze. The blood shortage we've been telling you about for months continues. Doctors ask if anyone that's comfortable can donate. We've learned a root issue is the decrease in the amount of donors giving blood. Doctors also say staffing shortages have made it more complicated to make sure the shelves are stacked. Health experts hope more people will go donate some time and blood to help with the crisis.
Blood, I almost think of as like bread. It has a shelf life. And so there's 2 reasons we need a constant supply of blood. One, we're using it for our patients, our surgical patients, our medical patients, but also it expires after a period of time.
We'll post some ways you can help in this article at mystateline.com. Recent studies show alcohol use is up due to the pandemic. Doctors say over the past 2 years, people have found many ways to cope with stress, including alcohol use. A new study shows drinking among women, especially younger women, has drastically increased.
So if somebody tells me that they're drinking every night of the week, I'm concerned. I don't like anybody to be that dependent on anything, honestly. We need variety to keep us stimulated and well balanced. So definitely frequency. I look for how much they're drinking. If, it's just a little bit versus I'm finishing the bottle, or I don't know how many, or even, well, I'm hiding, because secrets lead to all kinds of other issues. If we're hiding, we're not being honest with ourselves or the people who can help us, and that's important.
Doctors say finding a support person helps hold you accountable for your actions. The 36th annual Illinois Snow Sculpting Competition had their award ceremony today at Sinnissippi Park, filled with artistic work made out of snow. Nicole Delgado went to the park to meet the winners of this year's competition. And Nicole, tell us more about it.
That's right, Alexis. I was there Thursday when the sculptures were still just blocks of snow. Now they're works of arts. Competitors say that they are really proud of their work.
We just kind of combine ants, books, and the anteater together to make a pun.
The Cave People from Space won first place at the Illinois Snow Sculpting Competition. This is their third time winning. The team says they love coming out every year to sculpt.
I think honestly, just continuing to practice and working together as a team. I know people are saying, oh, you could sculpt with anyone, but you can't really practice this anywhere. So we have teammates who make models, we have teammates who do the drawings, teammates that build. So all of those have to kind of combine to make the final product.
Every teammate had major part in completing the sculpture, says Kelly Madison. The Cave People from Space team tells me they were just shy of 50 hours of sculpting. They weren't the only winners today. Rockford Christian High School dethroned the Belvidere North High School with their Navy SEAL sculpture.
I was kind of surprised. I guess I just wasn't expecting it because 3 of the 4 of us haven't ever done this before.
The Rockford Christian team are shocked that they not only received 1, but a total of 3 awards today, including First Place, Artist Choice, and People's Choice.
No, I mean maybe 1 I was thinking, but I don't know. Yeah. I wasn't expecting all 3.
The Cave People from Space team says they are excited to compete in nationals next year.
We'll be doing an exhibition block next year, so just for fun, kind of like our first team out there, Band of Misfit Boys, and this next year we'll go to nationals and we'll have to see. The blocks there are a little wider and a little shorter, so we'll have to do some design changes.
Organizers encourage the community to come out and see these snow sculptures before they melt. Alexis?
All right, thanks, Nicole. A local museum and an online blog partnered together to talk about Rockford's history. Midway Village Museum in Rockford made it blog welcomed nearly 100 guests to the museum today. A wide array of topics were discussed, like history of agriculture in northern Illinois to the early history of Woodward.
We have a long history of manufacturing and really innovation in our community, and a lot of it has changed, but we still have a lot of innovation going on here today. So this is really a snapshot of some of the historic importance of manufacturing and innovation that went on in Rockford 100+ years ago.
O'Keefe says the museum plans to have a series of programs like this going forward. The pandemic sparked the so-called Great Resignation. Americans are quitting their jobs in search of jobs with better benefits or new career paths, and in the case of older Americans, leaving the job market permanently. Our Washington correspondent Alexandra Limon reports on the impacts that's having on the labor market as she's keeping you connected to the nation's capital.
Good evening. Since the start of the pandemic, Americans are quitting their jobs in record numbers, and that's impacting the economy and the labor market in various ways.
While labor force participation has edged up, it remains subdued, in part reflecting the aging of the population and retirements.
Susan Weinstock says AARP conducted a survey of Americans 50 and older.
Of those who had retired, 21% of them said that they retired earlier than they had planned because of the pandemic.
Weinstock says those newly retired say they left their jobs for a variety of reasons, including concerns about being exposed to COVID-19. Many of those older Americans say they won't return to the workforce because their retirements are permanent. AARP says those that have returned aren't going back to the same jobs they had before.
A third of them found better pay. 25% said the job had the number of hours that they wanted to work, and about a quarter of them also said that it offered more flexibility, like work from home.
While the Great Resignation poses challenges for employers, it's also providing greater benefits for workers.
With constraints on labor supply, employers are having difficulties filling job openings, and wages are rising at their fastest pace in many years.
AARP's survey also found that those who did return to work reported finding jobs they're more passionate about. In Washington, Alexandra Limon.
Now, your firstborn weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolf.
While there is a blizzard currently impacting the Northeast back here across the state line, we're not seeing any of these heavier bands of snow that they are seeing up there. We just have some mild cloud cover that has been moving through, definitely calmer conditions than what they are dealing with out there. Temperatures right now are a little bit on the warmer side because of all that cloud cover. 19 here in Rockford, 19 in Janesville. Temperatures only set to drop a couple more degrees for the overnight low. Still those calm conditions here on our Mercy Health SkyTrack camera in downtown Rockford. Futurecast is showing a lot of cloud cover moving through the rest of this evening, keeping our temperatures relatively mild, only getting down to the upper teens. That cloud cover hangs around through the day on Sunday. Temperatures all the way back up into the 20s for our afternoon, then evening. A couple chances for some snow flurries into the evening, but overall relatively calm and quiet for the next couple of days. Overnight tonight, 16 degrees for our low here in Rockford, with all that cloud cover helping to moderate those temperatures quite a bit. Tomorrow all the way up into 27 for our high, with a lot of cloud cover continuing. That gradual warming started yesterday, continuing over the next few days up to near 40 for Tuesday. Sharp drop after that with a potential storm system, though. Here's that pattern that's favoring all this warmth over these next couple days as we progress on into the rest of the week. That changes, though. The pattern kind of rotates itself, definitely have a much stronger trough on the back end of that. And that's going to cause a potential for a winter system to move through into the week. This is one particular model that is one possibility could bring some snow to the state line. Another model has it tracking a little bit further south. So while we are seeing the potential increasing, we do not yet know specifics on exactly how this will play out. But I do think the highest potential for those winter impacts are right around the Midwest across our state line as well. So what we know is there's an increasing potential for those winter impacts. We don't quite yet know those details like amounts, exact storm track, or the specific timing of this other than just the Tuesday to Thursday window. So the bottom line is just to keep updated and keep informed as we progress through. So we're going to take a look at, this is a really good example of how we look at winter forecasting. This is kind of a Plinko sort of idea. If we're really far out from the event, we could have a lot of different possibilities as far as what our situation could look like. So we base that off of our current conditions. As we progress through, we have a lot of different scenarios that we can come up with. We can see models come around from 2 all the way up to 12 inches, so that's why you get those really wild ranges from those things you see on social media. But one model gives one solution. Now, based on those current trends, what we see at the active moment, the actual thing could be further off, and minute changes in the current projections could change how that forecast plays out. So the narrower and the closer we get toward the actual event, that narrows our range down quite a bit. And so in the next few days, you'll see us here at the state line issue our snow maps and our predictions for this specific storm. And over our next 7 days, we are seeing those temperatures warming up, that storm system potentially working its way in, definitely dropping our temperatures down really drastically toward the weekend, getting all the way down into near single digits for next weekend.
Now sports with David Greenberg.
The AFC and NFC championship games are tomorrow, but the NFL dominated headlines today, specifically Tom Brady, where it was reported that after 22 seasons he decided to retire from the NFL. That was around 1:30 this afternoon, but as the day went on, things started getting a little bit weird. The initial report from ESPN's Adam Schefter said he decided to retire. Then Schefter tweeted a screenshot of a message from Brady's agent, Don Yee, saying that only Tom will be the one to express his future plans. So the big question is, have we seen the last of the GOAT? As we enter the month of February, we're winding down on the winter high school sports season. One of those include wrestling. Today was the Nick 10 Conference Tournament. Scott Lever was there and has more on the coverage.
No female wrestler had ever won a Nick 10 Individual Wrestling Championship before. 2 young ladies took their shot at it today. First was Hononegah freshman Angelina Cassiope. She battled into the finals where she faced Belvidere freshman Braden Tunison. This match belonged to Tunison at 106 pounds. He won by 11-0 major decision. Freeport sophomore Cadence Diddick was the next female up in the finals. She squared off with East freshman Kaylin Hahn at 120 pounds. Diddick got an early 2-point takedown. She was leading 2-1 in the first when Hahn came up injured and couldn't continue. That made Diddick the first female champion in Nick 10 history.
It feels pretty good. I'm excited that was the first one that was able to do it, so yeah.
You knew coming in no woman had ever won before, right?
I actually didn't know, so it was a nice surprise.
East had 6 wrestlers reach the finals. Senior Joey Pineda picked up a title here at 220 pounds by pinning Belvidere's TJ Mitchell in the second period. Freeport had 7 wrestlers in the finals. 126-pounder Markel Baker led the way. He earned an 8-1 decision over East Donald Cannon. Belvidere Co-op had a whopping 9 wrestlers in the finals. 6 of them won championships. At 138 pounds, Colin Young pinned East Sam Young in the 3rd period. 195-pounder Jake Bell also won by pin in the 2nd period over Jefferson's Carlando Dubois. Belvidere's other champions were Tunison, Antonio Alvarado, Tavian Wilson, and A.J. Poloni. Belvidere Co-op won the team championship, becoming the first wrestling team from Belvidere to win the conference since 1993.
This feels good. This was our goal from day one, and we made it happen.
At Guilford, I'm Scott Lubber.
We also had some competitive cheerleading. A sectional over at Belvidere. It was a 56-team field broken up into small, medium, and large schools, as well as co-ed teams. Check out the large school division and begin with the Harlem Huskies. The Huskies finished 2nd at the NIC-10 conference meet last week. They were looking for another high finish and a chance to send themselves to the state tournament next weekend. They just missed out with a score of 85.73, good for 7th place. Next, let's check out the Indians from Hononegah, also in the large school field. Hononegah finished in 3rd in last week's conference meet, right behind Harlem. But the Indians, with a really sharp routine, their score of 87.1 was good for 5th, and that final large school team to secure a spot at state. Also had the high school state bowling meet down in O'Fallon, Illinois. Congrats to the Harlem Huskies, who were the state runner-ups right behind Manuka. Have to give a major shout-out to Jamarian Simmons and Eric Roberts for finishing 2 and 3, respectively, individually in the state. This is what the final state standings look like. Harlem's there in 2nd, just falling short by 105 pins, coming in 12th place were the Hononegah Indians. Congratulations again to all of our state qualifying bowlers.
Jordan is back with one last look at our forecast.
Seems like the temps have kind of gone up a little bit, but we might be getting some snow next week.
Yeah, we're definitely on the increase for our temperatures. Right now we are still dealing with some clearer skies for the afternoon, but clouds have moved in. That'll keep our temperatures a little regulated this evening, only getting down into the teens. The warming trend continues over the next few days, getting up near 40 degrees for Tuesday. But that starts the beginning of a potential storm system that could work its through in the middle of the week. Definitely need to see some details coming out on that. Definitely got to keep updated on the forecast, but then we're much colder for next weekend, back down near single digits.
Well, thanks for making us your home team. We'll see you at 10.